Hey, I am coming to you from Innsbruck, Austria. Actually, I'm above Innsbruck at Axums and the basketball camp. How was basketball camp, you guys?
Great.
Good? Good.
That was good.
Awesome. A lot of fun. Yes. Oh, boy. Hey, Chris. Good to see you.
I'm here with my buddy Mason.
Yeah. It's
And
wonderful.
how much ever money you're giving him, give him more.
Yeah, thank you. These are staff people. Yeah, that's it. We've been up here doing an MCYM camp this week. There's about 24 folks from Western Washington serving, staff and volunteers, and I think each of them is going to come back to Western Washington with a broader sense of what does it mean to give kids the gospel. Basketball was good. Let me see that ball. Look at this. It's ball signed by Meadowlark Lemon. That's not a bad deal.
There you go.
And nice kicks too.
Thank you.
I like
Hall
that.
of Fame tag on it.
Oh my gosh, nice. Anyway, two things I've been thinking about while being here. One is a creative sense of doing camping. There was nothing here, and the MCYM staff have set up a camp store. There's a bead cart. We've got ski lifts right over here, and yet we take kids down to the village to do basketball because we're trying to reach every kind of kid everywhere. The MCYM's doing a great job with that. And then secondly, you've just been on my heart and mind as we've been thinking about end of the year giving. And thank you for being focused on that. Know that I've been praying for you, and we've been praying as we've been here for the calendar year end. And I'm believing for great stuff. By the time I return to the States on Monday, the month may be closed, or at least by Wednesday when I send this out. So we'll see how it goes, but hopefully it went well. Anyway, from Innsbruck, Austria, Axums, Austria, thanks for praying with us this week. It's been a great week. All right, bye-bye.